So what up, what's going on, guys? Just to let you guys know, there is still a giveaway going on. Yeah, I'm at work right now, so excuse me. But get ready to go back in here. But I just want to tell you guys about the giveaway that's going on. You have to like 3 of my videos. After you like 3 of my videos, then you would have to comment on one of the 3 videos. The video that you commented on, you have to repost and tag me in it for you to enter to win the gift that I'm gonna be giving out. I will let you guys know probably like the middle, like the ending of August, going to the first week of September, what it is you guys are gonna be winning. So good luck for anybody that's trying to enter the win. Only first and second place winners. That's it for this round. But on today's video, it's gonna be a little different. It's coming from my homeboy again, Buddy, from the truck that I don't know if you guys saw that video, but it was like an older truck that I had got from him. This is a different update. I think it's for his current project. That's what he's doing today. So just to let you guys know, it's a little different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Take care.
What is going on, everybody? Today we are doing a fuel system in a 1980 Camaro. It's got a 5.3 swap done with a turbo 350 trans. Fuel system was ordered off eBay. It's a very nice system. Comes with everything except for the tank, lines, pump, regulator, everything. It's $475, I think, tax and all, 2-year door. That being said, this car was originally a straight 6 car, so it had a manual pump mounted to the block and ran off a rod on the cam. So with the problem being is we did do all new lines. This is a return system, runs off a Corvette regulator that's with it. So I dropped the tank, went to looking at the original system. I'm going to be able to use the original pickup for the car in combination with the rest of the system. But the issue that I'm running into is at current, the fuel return line steps down to a very, very small size. Not be big enough to allow the proper amount of fuel return and cause a problem with the system. So what's going to happen is I'm going to cut these lines, drill out the line, put a 3/8 line in, and then solder everything up, put the car back together, and hopefully we'll be able to fire it up after a couple more wires are ran and the fuel system's finished up. Now, as you can see, the line's been cut on both sides. Next step is going to be to drill it out, run a new 3/8 line inside of it. We'll probably make about the same length as this. Flare both, put the connectors on it, and put her back in the tank. So, okay guys, we're back. This has been drilled out already, as you can clearly see. It's set for a 3/8. Obviously, the final bit you want to use is going to be 3/8 bit. Personally, went to Harbor Freight, titanium bit set, good to go. I did, however, start with a smaller bit. I started with a 13/64. That was about the same size as the line. It drilled it out, took it out pretty cleanly with no issues, leaving no big mess to be cleaned up. So next thing is going to be to put a 3/8 line in, bend it to where it needs to be bent, and then solder it in. As you can see, new line is bent and fitted in. Black tape is just to keep it supported while I am soldering everything in. Kind of keep it in a stationary area. I don't need it moving halfway through my soldering. To do this, you are going to need a cutter. A bender does help. Makes the bends a little bit easier, less smooth, and you're less likely to pinch. Even if you start to pinch a little bit, little mallet, couple taps, you'll straighten it out on the corners without creating major issues. As you can see, I had to give her a couple love taps there, straighten her out. Next step's going to be to solder it in and put it back into the tank. Finally back again. So, as a precautionary, obviously this has been soldered up, but what you're seeing is not soldered. What you're seeing is a quick seal chemical compound. Just want to make sure it 100% seals, even though it has been soldered underneath. I'm one of those better safe than sorry kind of people. So hopefully when she dries, she's all good. Mine's already bent, already set. So next thing's next is put another fitting on it and dropping it in the tank. But that's the quickest and easiest way to convert it over. Now you have a proper 3/8 drain line and no problems as far as fuel going back.